Alright, language explorers. Let's have a look at today's Friday idiom. So, out of his depth. To be in a new place, area. So you're not familiar with things. Somewhere new. What is this? How does that work? I'm out of my depth. I don't understand anything. I am out of my depth. I don't understand anything. Yeah. Do you think you're out of your depth here? Yeah. All the technology and inventions are new and different from before. We're out of our depth. We're out of our depth. Yes. How cool is that? Yeah. He is out of his depth being here. He's out of his depth being here. This is all new. Yeah, all this new technology, new software. How does this work? What is that? What's this? What's that? What does that mean? I'm out of my depth. But just because you're out of your depth here doesn't mean you'll be out of it forever. Yeah, you can learn. How cool is that? Yeah. Yeah, she might be out of her depth this time. Maybe. She might be out of her depth, but she is still managing to learn and stay ahead. Yeah, it's quite important. How cool is that, language explorers? Careful not to be out of your depth. Yeah, because when you go to new places, you might be out of your depth for a short while. Yeah, but as you learn about the place, you'll slowly start to know what you're doing. Yeah, quite important. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, out of your depth. Yes, like in the ocean. Being out of your depth in too deep water. Don't know where I am. Don't know what I'm doing. What's this? What's that? How does that work? What are those? What is this? Yeah. So, out of your depth. Now, can you use out of your depth in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video. Subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. More lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram and Udemy. When you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.